Let's make a small update for the DAZA and then let's go home because I'm gonna start with this one tomorrow. On an engine stand, okay, stripped off the intake, the coolant hoses, thermostat, the necessary things to be able to put on the engine stand. It's important to put on the engine stand, obviously, because I have to remove the timing cover, okay, need to come out, damper pulley and the crankshaft front seal need to come out, and then the oil pan down need to come out, and then this, the bottom case, need to come out also. So I don't care that much to reseal, let us say, the oil pan or this case. It's fine with me. What I'm thinking that I use a new bolts and I stretch it here, okay. On the crankshaft, the same thing. On the side bolts, this same thing. This was new. Now I'm gonna open it. This been, you are stretching it, let us say, you know, not let us say, you are stretching it if you want to torque it down properly. So I hope the crankshaft will be okay. I hope we're gonna see that tomorrow. I'm gonna open tomorrow. The rest of the parts are in the boxes outside. I don't have a space to put here. So you need to turn also the engine at the end. When I finish with the timing, I have to remove all the timing components, gears and all these things. Spark plugs, coils need to come out. Put the crankshaft in neutral position, don't hit any valve or something. Yep, you're gonna see. Tomorrow, not today. Small update. Thank you. Have a good night. I was ready to leave. Okay, I said, okay, screw it. I'm gonna remove the ignition coils and the spark plugs. Okay. Then I said, okay, come on. It's not a big deal. Let's open also the timing cover, right? And I open also the timing cover. Yay. Now, fortunately, I have somewhere here the timing tools. I don't know where. I have to open all these things to find it. Fortunately, I don't have it in front of me. Okay. It's a good thing that I didn't spin the crankshaft, because I see some pieces here inside, some metallic pieces. Even that I was using a vacuum to suck all these pieces, I still see back over there some metallic shavings, some chips, if you like. Alright, obviously all this need to be washed here. Alright, from here and up everything is clean, from here down it's disaster. Okay, it is what it is, right? Yeah. Take a look how it is. Oh boy. I hope to be lucky and to be repairable. I hope. Keep in mind that all this is happening for nothing, literally, at least for me. It is for nothing. Yay, how lovely. Yeah, that's it. Tomorrow the rest, not today. Thank you.